Hey, my prepper posse. Hope everybody's doing great. Look at the size of our banyan tree here. It's right across from the complex. Thought I'd give you that show. Something different from the back of the complex. This is short, but I've got 1 week. So next Friday, then we are going to go back to Alabama and work the store. It's amazing. I love nature. I'm out and about today. I'm going to take a little walk, get some fresh air. Look at the root system on these. Yeah. It's incredible. It's just incredible. Hundreds of years old. Enjoy your day and don't forget to play. See you.